The Supreme Court upholds TikTok ban if not sold by Chinese owning company ByteDance, and that's BYTE, as in computer bytes.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
In a long-awaited final legal step, SCOTUS upheld the law passed by the U.S. Congress in April of 2024, requiring TikTok to be divested by its Chinese holding company, ByteDance. The law is called the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Controlled Applications Act. Yes, that's a mouthful, folks. And it was effective January 19th, 2025, right the day before the inauguration. That law makes it unlawful for any company in the U.S. to provide services to, distribute, maintain, or update the social media platform TikTok, unless U.S. operation of the platform is severed from Chinese control. Petitioners are two TikTok operating entities and a group of U.S. TikTok users. SCOTUS considers whether the act as applied to petitioners violates the First Amendment. The court stated in its decision, Congress has determined that divestiture is necessary to address its well-supported national security concerns regarding TikTok's data collection practices and relationship with foreign adversary. The law does not violate petitioners' First Amendment rights. A number of business professionals have commented that the owner, ByteDance, could have resolved the issue before mid-January, but instead, so-called played a game of chicken with the federal court system. In this particular case, the act was not addressing content on the app, which would have implemented or implicated that First Amendment. The law was designed to protect the millions of American users from being spied on by the Chinese government. One concern, of course, is that some users have opened new accounts on Chinese-controlled Red Note. Early reports have indicated that content that the CCP disagrees with has already been struck from that relatively new site. The problem could be that the act would need to be frequently updated to include other Chinese-based social media sites. Trump moved the congressional deadline back several times. The idea is that a change of ownership will protect the users from massive invasions of privacy by the CCP. An estimated 150 million Americans use TikTok. The deal, orchestrated by the Trump administration, means only a percentage of ownership of the U.S. version of TikTok will change. Oracle Computer Systems, Silver Lake, and a UAE fund will own 80.1%. And ByteDance, currently the sole owner, will have 19.9%. I've never been confident that this app could be safely used. Given the continued involvement of the CCP, I will still pass on participating in TikTok. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.